Almost 4 months on from TVJ's first sports hall town meeting, President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, has maintained his word regarding preparation for national teams for regional and international assignments. Simon Preston tells us more.
On May 10, President of the Jamaica Football Federation Michael Ricketts stressed the importance of national teams getting as much match practice as possible ahead of qualifiers and tournaments. At the meeting, he spoke about his ambition to get Jamaica's under-23 team to the Olympic Games in Tokyo in 2020, and he says he will continue striving for more games for this group.
Definitely, because we really want to qualify our Olympic team. And of course, we're getting some support from the GOA, and we want to ensure that they do get some value for their investment. So we will definitely be looking around for some more practice games, because again, we want to give the under-23s as much or as many practice games as is possible.
Ricketts, who is the 13th president of the JFF, also spoke about the senior REGGAE girls and plans for their preparation ahead of the CONCACAF Women's Championship next month.
Well, we certainly would want to ensure that they get as much practice and good practice games as is possible. I have not yet had a discussion with the coach. We're actually waiting on the draw, so we would have known exactly where we're going to be, if it was in North Carolina or in Texas. Now it is confirmed that we will be in Texas. Now I'll speak with them to see what we can do, how we can get a camp, and then we take it from there.
Assistant coach of the senior REGGAE girls, Andrew Price, says preparation has begun on the opponents the REGGAE girls will face in October.
And we're still doing some extra scouting, doing a lot of scouting for the Canadian team. We haven't played them in a little while, so we have to do some scouting. As you alluded to earlier, we have played Cuba a couple times, and we have played Costa Rica in the CSC game, so we have a fair idea of how they play. So it's about preparation now, both mental and physically.
On the matter of franchise football, which was also discussed during the Sports Town Hall meeting in May, Ricketts says plans to move in that direction with the local Premier League continues.
No, not yet. We're still working on it. Like I have said, Gary Sinclair is the person with all the technical details. So I would leave those questions to him, because like I've said, he would be in a better position to speak on the franchising.
Since Ricketts took over as JFF president on September 16, 2017, the REGGAE boys have moved from 61 in the world to number 54. In reflecting on his time in office, Ricketts says progress has been made, but there is still more work to be done.
I certainly would love to have achieved some more, but I do believe that we did well. The board of directors was very supportive. And I think that all in all, we might have played 7 or 8 games. We lost one. Our young ladies, we brought back our under-15 parish women's competition. We brought back the Women's Premier League. So we have been giving a lot of support to the women's program.
The second edition of TVJ's quarterly Sports Town Hall meeting is set for September 20 at the Michael University College. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.